Welcome. In this video, we'll guide you through setting up T-Mobile 5G Home Internet. This service uses T-Mobile's 5G network to provide wireless broadband, bypassing traditional cable or DSL. As of March 2026, it offers nationwide coverage to over 95% of U.S. households. We'll cover everything from unboxing to troubleshooting so you can get online quickly. It offers speeds averaging 100 to 500 Mbps and can reach up to 1 Gbps in certain locations. Let's get started. First, let's unbox your T-Mobile 5G home internet equipment. You'll find the 5G gateway device, a power adapter, and a quick start guide. The gateway is the central device that connects to T-Mobile's 5G network. Inspect the equipment for any damage before proceeding. Identify the power port, Ethernet ports, and any external antenna connectors on the gateway. Familiarize yourself with the device's LED indicators, which will provide status updates during the setup process. To begin activation, power on your T-Mobile gateway device. Locate the power button on the device and press it to turn it on. Next, download the T-Mobile Internet app from the App Store if you're using an iOS device or Google Play Store for Android. The app is free and easy to install. Once installed, open the app and you'll see the welcome screen with options to set up your device or visit the website for more information. You'll need to log in to your T-Mobile account. Use your username, email, or phone number and password to sign in through the app. After logging in, follow the app prompts to activate your service. You'll need the IMEI number, which is printed on the label of your gateway device. Enter your T-Mobile account details as requested. Once activated, the gateway will automatically attempt to connect to the T-Mobile 5G network. This connection process may take a few minutes as the device establishes a link with nearby 5G towers. Monitor the LED indicators on your gateway to confirm successful connection. Look for solid lights or specific patterns that indicate the device is online and connected to the network. Once the gateway has a strong 5G signal, you can connect your devices. The green indicator shows good connectivity. For wireless connection, locate the Wi-Fi network name and password printed on the gateway. Connect your computers, smartphones, and other devices to this network using the standard Wi-Fi settings on each device. For devices requiring a stable wired connection, such as desktops or gaming consoles, use an Ethernet cable. Plug one end into the gateway's Ethernet port and the other into your device's Ethernet jack. The gateway supports the latest Wi-Fi 7 standards, providing enhanced performance with faster speeds, lower latency, and better handling of multiple devices simultaneously. Now let's explore the key settings and features of your T-Mobile 5G home internet gateway. These settings help you customize and secure your network. You can access your gateway settings through the T-Mobile Internet app on your smartphone or tablet, or by logging into the web portal at tmobile.com/home internet. Once you're in the settings, you can customize several important features. Change your Wi-Fi password to keep your network secure, set up parental controls to manage what your family can access online, and view or manage all the devices connected to your network. Regarding data usage, T-Mobile 5G home internet has no hard monthly data caps, which means you can use as much data as you need. However, after using 22 gigabytes in a single day, your data may be deprioritized, potentially slowing your speeds during network congestion periods. Technically, the service uses mid-band 2.5 GHz frequencies, which provide an excellent balance between high speeds and good coverage range. For security, your gateway includes built-in firewalls to protect against external threats, and it supports WPA3 encryption, the latest and most secure wireless security standard. Experiencing issues with your T-Mobile 5G home internet? Let's troubleshoot the most common problems step by step. First, check the gateway's LED indicators for error messages. These lights provide important status information about your connection. A common issue is weak 5G signal. If you're experiencing slow speeds or dropouts, revisit your gateway placement tips from earlier sections. Make sure the gateway has a clear line of sight to the nearest T-Mobile tower. Next, ensure your gateway's firmware is up to date. Check for updates through the T-Mobile Internet app, which will guide you through the process. If problems continue, try restarting the gateway. Simply unplug it from power for 30 seconds, then plug it back in. This often resolves temporary connectivity issues. If issues persist after trying these steps, contact T-Mobile customer support for personalized assistance. They can help with more advanced troubleshooting. Following these troubleshooting steps should resolve most common issues with your T-Mobile 5G home internet service. The future of T-Mobile 5G home internet looks promising with exciting developments on the horizon. T-Mobile is planning to deploy 6G prototypes by 2028, potentially offering speeds of up to 10 gigabit per second with ultra-low latency for immersive experiences like VR gaming. Integration with smart home ecosystems is on the rise, allowing seamless connectivity for IoT devices through the Matter protocol. An advanced feature called dynamic bandwidth allocation uses AI to prioritize bandwidth for gaming or streaming during peak hours, ensuring optimal performance. Stay tuned for AR-assisted tutorials in future updates, which will help with precise gateway placement using virtual reality interfaces. These innovations position T-Mobile 5G home internet at the forefront of broadband technology, with plans for carbon-neutral operations by 2030. Thank you for watching.